Okay, today is April the 29th, 2018. It's time for the 22nd cooling season startup of my 1997 Rheem condenser. But first, I'm going to verify my airflow settings on the new furnace before I start the unit up, because this is the first time it's actually ran and cooling for any, length of time. But first, I'm going to change that media filter because it looks a little gray. That's supposed to be white. But look at the inside of this furnace. It's run all winter long and there is not a speck of dust to be found anywhere in it. Very, very clean. I'm impressed with that Honeywell media filter. Yep, filter's looking a little gray there. Sure, I could go long. I've decided I'm going to change mine at the beginning of heating and the beginning of cooling twice a year. And there's definitely a color difference between the two. This is the new one here on the right, and the old one here on the left. Yeah, you still see light through it pretty good. Probably, like I say, be fine to leave it in there longer, but I'm a little picky about this stuff, so I don't want to do that. Yep, see light a lot better through that one though. So I think I'm going to change it. I'm going to actually transfer these weather strippings. They actually come off without tearing any paper. I think I'll be able to reuse them several times. They still have their sticky on them, or they'll stick to the new filter. Already got those other two transferred over. I'll do the ones along the side. Hope they come off just as easy. Yeah, looks like they will if I go easy with it. Glad that stuff's reusable, that way I won't have to be buying it all the time. Might not be too bad not having an unfiltered media cabinet. Here we go.